Uh, you are younger than me.
Maybe. I don't know.
Yeah,
How old are you?
I'm 29. You?
Okay, I'm 23. Yeah.
23. So 6 hour difference younger than me.
Yeah.
That sounds
Yeah.
good. Yeah. So, what are you student?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'm studying for a week now.
Yeah, I'm
Fresh
look.
beginner.
Okay, you are so smart looking. I see you're so smart. Your hair is just hanging on in front of your face, so attractive. So I'm really so impressed by your attitude.
Oh, really? Thank you.
Yeah, I am. Yes, I
But
am.
but you're looking very intelligent as well.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yeah, I think so.
thank you, thank you. But I don't have any girl in my life. Nobody just like me or love me anymore.
Intelligence is something that's inside your brain, not in your life.
Maybe. But do you have
Everyone
a
can be intelligent.
yeah? Do you have a boyfriend?
Um, kind of.
It's you have you. Yeah. Okay.
No, it's a private question.
Oh,
So
definitely. I'm
there's
sorry.
there's no answer.
There's no
No, it's
answer.
okay. It's okay.
Okay. What is your favorite hobby?
Oh, my favorite hobby, it's music is my favorite hobby, I
Uh,
guess. What's your hobby?
my hobby is just talking to different communities, people like you, Germany, as I'm talking to you. Even whole
Hmm.
day, I try to finding out any guests in this platform, like American, like Britain, like Australian. So that's my hobby
Hmm.
actually. I like to talk to people.
Okay, that's interesting.
Yes,
Yeah, that's nice.
yeah, for sure. So, do you like to travel worldwide? Any out of your country?
Totally, totally. I
Oh,
love traveling. I
oh.
really love discovering new cultures and languages and spaces and landscapes and everything. But yeah, it's very expensive.
Yeah, for sure. It's really expensive, but you know what? I think you will be a good. A good people in every single community because you have a really
Yeah.
comprehensive mind. You are giving your valuable time. So it's really so biggest gift for me. Exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure. It's
Yeah.
always nice if people smile.
Definitely. Look, I have got so many people on this platform, but nobody just to talk to me just like you, just as well as you are talking. Just it's really so good to make love to the people. Really.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
positive vibes only.
Definitely, really positive vibes. You know what? Yeah, I have been suffering some mental pressure since early morning, but today, right now, I'm really feeling so better because of you. You are making a smile on my face. Yeah, really, so happy, so
That's
happy.
nice. I'm glad.
Oh, my pleasure.
Cool.
Even hopefully, following day after dropping this live, I will have a good animation because of you.
That's great.
Oh, really? Yeah.
So, what else are you doing
Uh,
beside Bigo?
no, I'm not just a use. I'm not using the big for life. I do the business here in my country for my life. But my
Yeah,
business
yeah,
is not. Yeah, but my
yeah.
business is not doing good as well. Really.
Oh, okay, okay. I
So
hope
what?
it gets better.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
You absolutely what I mean a comprehensive, broad-minded girl. I pray and hope that you will have a long and biggest, brighter future in the following days. Really, that's all I hope.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Definitely, yeah. You know, you know what? What I call it is, wish I could live in your country. I definitely would meet you.
Yeah, yeah, I guess we will have some nice conversations. Yeah.
Ah, really, I didn't really expect that I will get such a beautiful and broad-minded girl on this platform. And by the way, I will get a good animation, and I'm really getting rid of my saddened mind because of you.
Great.
Uh,